Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to start our next unit, but before starting I hope you have completed your previous work and you have learnt your lesson. So let's start and see what we are going to read today. Okay students, today we are going to start our fourth unit and its name is What is this? And you have to reply in the question it is a or an, and after that you will look at the picture and you will give answer accordingly. Look at the first one. Here's your book. So what is this? Yes, and what will be your answer? It is a book. What is this? It is a book. What is this? It is a book, because first sound of book is consonant sound, b sound. That's why we are putting a article with it. Is that clear? What is this? This is a book. Now let me give you another example. Okay, you have to give the answer. What is this? Look at the object and give me answer. What is this? Yes, it is a pencil. It is a pencil. Now let's have a look at another example. Now look at the next object and give me answer. What is this? It is an apple. What is this? It is an apple. Very good. Now look at the next object. What is this? It is a watch. What is this? It is a watch. Yes, now look at the next object and give me answer. What is this? It is an elephant. It is an elephant, and you have to give the answer like in the same way. Okay, in the same way you will give the answer like this. It is an elephant. What is this? It is an elephant. Now look at the next example. What is this? It is a dog. What is this? It is a dog. Now open your book at page number 24 and we are going to start reading from unit 4. Unit 4, what is this? And you will write date here. And after this, what is this? And you will give the answer by looking at the object. It is a or an. It is a or an. Is that clear? Now let's start reading. What is this? It is a room. What is this? It is a room. Now look at the next one. What is this? It is a lamp. What is this? It is a lamp. Now look at the next object. What is this? It is a flag. What is this? It is a flag. Now look at the next one. What is this? It is an iron. It is an iron. Now look at the last object. What is this? It is a piece of rope. What is this? It is a piece of rope. Okay, now let me show you complete page. Okay student, have you noticed all the things which we have read in this page, all are non-living things. It's mean we use it with non-living thing. When we have to give the answer about any object which is non-living or animal, so we use it. Is it clear? Now let's go to the next page and you have to read this page for 5 times. Let's ask a question in a different way, and I'm going to ask you a question and you have to give me answer in yes and no. Okay, let's start. Is this a book? So you will, if it's a book, so you will give answer yes it is. Yes. Is this a book? Yes it is. Okay, is this a book? No, it is not. Is this a book? No, it is not. Is this an apple? Is this an apple? Look at the object carefully. Yes, it is. Is this an apple? No, it is not. Is this an apple? No, it is not. Is this a dog? Yes, it is. Is this a dog? Yes, it is. Is this a dog? No, it is not. Is this a dog? No, it is not. Is this an elephant? Yes, it is. Is this an elephant? Yes, it is. Now let's start reading from book. Is this a? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Now let's start reading. Is this the shirt? Yes, it is. Is this a shirt? Yes, it is. Now let's see on the next object. Let's see a next object. Is this a car? No, it is not. Is this a van? Yes, it is. Is this a car? No, it is not. Is this a van? Yes, it is. Is this an orange? Yes, it is. Is this an orange? Yes, it is. Okay, students, have you noticed one thing in this? Yes, when you have to give the answer in yes and no, so you have to write comma after yes and no, as you can see in the picture also. Yes, after writing yes and no, you have to write comma. Is that clear? And after that, you will write small letter it. I with small letter, and you will start your answer. Is that clear? Is this an orange? Yes, it is. Now look at the next one. Is this an egg? No, it is not. Is this a balloon? Yes, it is. Is this an egg? No, it is not. Is this a balloon? Yes, it is. Okay, read and listen these answer carefully, because in the next activity you have to write your answer. That's why I'm telling you about commas and writing instruction, that you have to write comma after yes or no. Now look at the next one. Is this a boat? You have to put question mark at the end because it's a question. Is this a boat? No, it is not. Is this a table? Look at the picture. No, it is not. Is this a chair? Yes, it is. Once again, is this a table? No, it is not. Is this a chair? Yes, it is. It's mean if I'll ask question about anything around you, so you will be able to give answer in yes and no. Are you? Okay, so let's see in the next activity. Okay, now look at the next activity is ask and answer. I'm going to ask you question and you have to give me answer in yes and no. Are you ready?
Yes.
So let's start. Is this a bucket?
Yes, it is.
Is this a bucket?
Yes, it is.
Is this an elephant?
No, it is not.
Is this an owl?
Yes, it is.
Is this a quill?
Yes, it is.
Is this a quill?
Yes, it is.
Is this the table?
No, it is not.
Is this a stool?
Yes, it is.
Is this a sheep?
Yes, it is.
Is this a sheep?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Now let's start and go to the next activity. Students, don't forget you have to practice the same activity at your home with your sibling. आप लोग practice करेंगे पिक्चर के ऊपर, आप लोग फिंगर पॉइंट आउट करके या किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ पॉइंट आउट करके आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं और फिर उसका आंसर भी दे सकते हैं. Now let's move to the next activity. Okay students, now let's do last activity and it is learn to write. Now we are going to do learn to write. इसमें हम लिखना सीखेंगे because there are some question and you have to give their answer and after that you are going to write them also. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is this an ostrich?
Yes, it is.
Is this an ostrich?
Yes, it is.
So what you have to do, you have to write first letter capital. First you will write yes and don't forget to write comma after yes and there should be full stop at the end of the sentence. Yes, Y will be capital, comma, after yes it is के बाद full stop. Is that clear? I'll show you answer at the end of the video. Okay, now look at the next one. Is this a potato?
No, it is not.
Is this a potato?
No, it is not.
Is this an eagle?
Yes, it is.
Is this an eagle?
Yes, it is.
Is this a plant?
No, it is not.
Is this the plant?
No, it is not.
Okay, now let me show you answer how you are going to write on your book. Okay student, have a look at this कि how you are going to write answer. As I've told you, first letter should be capital, don't forget to write comma and after that you have to write full stop when your answer will be end. In the same way, when you are giving answer for the no, so first letter should be capital, then you have to write comma after no and a small letter of I and don't forget to put full stop at the end. Is it clear? Okay, we'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Don't forget to do practice and learn your lesson properly. Allah Hafiz.